On February 13th, Victoria got hit hard with that Arctic outflow we were talking about. Huh. Well, this is going to be fun. I'm not sure. Do I have to wipe off my boat to use it? I can't even see where the lines are. Ouch. There's the line. Okay, got one. The other one should be okay. Okay. Into the boat. It's really snowy out, and I have to go to the boat and check it. I should have Blaine with me, but let's see if I can get into this boat and yeah, head out to Tangaroa and check it out. Welcome to Victoria, British Columbia. Just to let you know, this is a bit cold going up to the boat. My nose is getting red, and the snow's coming down, and it's not very fun. But this is called winter boating in the Pacific Northwest. Hopefully she's okay, but let's go see what she looks like. Uh-oh, I don't see the steps. How the heck am I gonna get on there? Okay, well this is gonna be fun. Where's the steps? Okay, I got the gate open. It took a lot. Look, we had to slam it open. That's like past my knee. Can you see that? Look it. Holy cow. Past my knee. Okay. I don't know if I can make it up these steps. Look it. I'm going to slowly turn around here. Ugh. Can you see me? So these are the steps. The key for the boat. But look. It's just like the perfect snowball. But I can't find the door. And they're so slippery since we took the wood off. Like, so slippery. Oh, there's the door. Woohoo! You see all that fall off? Look at this. Ah! Snow. It all just came off the roof. Okay. Uh-oh. I think I lost my key in there somewhere. Oh shoot. I lost the boat key in the snow. Crap, I guess I better go down and find it. Okay, I'm going down. Ugh. I'm in. Oh, oh, that's the tunnel I just came out of. Holy cow. I just crawled through a tunnel. Can you imagine how much? So that was crazy. That's a lot of snow. Can you imagine if we didn't have our new vinyl here? Like seriously, this whole aft deck would be covered in snow. But actually, it's like, what solar panels? I don't see any solar panels up there. Not a bad snow angel. I think Drew is stuck in his boat. Are you stuck in your boat? Ugh. I think you're stuck in your boat. Be like a little groundhog.
Yeah, I feel like a little groundhog.
You might want to close it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow. There's too much.
It's disgusting.
I've got 3 feet in my tender here.
Yeah, I wake up and...
You're so cute, little otters. I wonder where they're going. Here he goes. So I'm just checking in with my sister. Krista always has the uncanny ability of being away when it snows, which means we have to check out her boat. She can't really see her, but she's on my phone here. Say hi. Hi. But I'm just letting her know what's happening, and she's got the same tender as us, and it is so full of snow, so I'm gonna have to go pull it off of her back of her boat. If not, your boat's gonna do a papa wheelie.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, it'll be good. Okay, I'm off to go do that. Bye, Krista. Yeah.
Bye.
Where's my tender? Oh, she's got a wee bit of snow. Durba's almost completely covered. She's a wee bit snowy. Doing a bit of snow clearing on the solar panels. Maybe somebody should have cleared these off yesterday.
Hey, it was really snowy.
This is the only thing charging right now, so I'm just gonna try to keep them a little bit clear, and hopefully we'll get some juice here. Great day for a paddleboard. Welcome to Victoria.
I personally had a great time with the snow. But thanks for watching, everybody. Join us